Brad Pitt and Angelina's French Riviera tour. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie, two of Hollywood's most iconic figures, have always captivated audiences with their remarkable careers and glamorous lifestyles. Their union was celebrated not just for their on-screen chemistry, but also for their adventurous spirits and philanthropic endeavors. Among their many adventures, their French Riviera tour stands out as a particularly enchanting journey. The French Riviera, with its breathtaking landscapes, luxurious resorts, and rich cultural heritage, provided the perfect backdrop for this star-studded couple. Arrival in Nice. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's French Riviera tour began in the charming city of Nice. As the gateway to this glamorous region, Nice is known for its beautiful coastline, vibrant markets, and historic architecture. Upon their arrival, the couple was greeted by the warm Mediterranean breeze and the azure waters of the Baie des Anges. Their first stop was the Promenade des Anglais, a scenic boulevard that stretches along the coast. Here they enjoyed leisurely walks, taking in the stunning views and soaking up the sun. Their stay in Nice was marked by visits to the city's most iconic landmarks. They explored the bustling Cours Salia market, where they sampled local delicacies and admired the colorful displays of flowers, fruits, and vegetables. They also visited the historic Old Town, with its narrow streets, quaint shops, and charming cafes. The couple's presence in Nice brought an air of excitement to the city, as locals and tourists alike marveled at the sight of these Hollywood legends, enjoying the simple pleasures of the French Riviera. Exploring Cannes. From Nice, Brad and Angelina made their way to Cannes, a city synonymous with luxury and glamour. Known for its prestigious film festival, Cannes is a favored destination for celebrities from around the world. The couple's arrival in Cannes was met with great anticipation, and they did not disappoint. Staying at the luxurious Hotel Martinez, they experienced the epitome of elegance and comfort. During their time in Cannes, Brad and Angelina attended several high-profile events and parties, mingling with other celebrities and enjoying the city's vibrant nightlife. They also took time to explore the beautiful beaches, where they relaxed under the sun and took refreshing dips in the crystal-clear waters. A highlight of their visit was a private yacht tour along the coast, offering them unparalleled views of the stunning French Riviera. The couple's presence in Cannes added to the city's allure, making their stay an unforgettable experience for all who witnessed it. Strolling through the enchanting streets of Antibes. After their glamorous stay in Cannes, Brad and Angelina ventured to the picturesque town of Antibes. Known for its charming old town, historic fortifications, and stunning views of the Mediterranean, Antibes offered the couple a more relaxed and intimate experience. They wandered through the narrow cobblestone streets, hand in hand, exploring the town's many hidden gems. One of the highlights of their visit to Antibes was the Picasso Museum, located in the Chateau Miraval. The museum houses an impressive collection of works by the legendary artist, who lived and worked in Antibes for a period of time. Brad and Angelina, both art enthusiasts, were captivated by the museum's exhibits and the rich history of the town. They also enjoyed a visit to the bustling Provencal market, where they sampled local cheeses, olives, and wines, immersing themselves in the flavors of the region. Their time in Antibes was a perfect blend of culture, history, and romance. Luxurious retreat in Saint-Tropez. No tour of the French Riviera would be complete without a visit to the legendary Saint-Tropez. Known for its glitzy nightlife, exclusive beach clubs, and celebrity sightings, Saint-Tropez has long been a playground for the rich and famous. Brad and Angelina's arrival in this glamorous town created a buzz, and they embraced the luxurious lifestyle that Saint-Tropez is famous for. Staying in an opulent villa overlooking the sea, the couple enjoyed the ultimate in privacy and comfort. Their days were filled with leisurely activities, from lounging by the pool to exploring the town's chic boutiques and art galleries. They also spent time at the famous Pampelon Beach, where they basked in the sun and swam in the turquoise waters. Evenings were reserved for fine dining at some of the region's most exclusive restaurants, where they indulged in gourmet cuisine and world-class wines. Their stay in Saint-Tropez epitomized the glamour and sophistication of the French Riviera. Cultural immersion in the medieval village of Ades. Seeking a change of pace from the glitz and glamour, Brad and Angelina made their way to the medieval village of Ades. Perched high on a hilltop overlooking the Mediterranean, Ades is renowned for its stunning views, ancient stone buildings, and lush botanical gardens. The village provided the couple with a serene and picturesque escape from the bustling coastal towns. Brad and Angelina spent their days exploring the winding, narrow streets of Ades, discovering quaint shops, art galleries, and charming cafes along the way. They visited the Jardin Exotique, a beautiful botanical garden filled with exotic plants and offering panoramic views of the coastline. The couple also toured the historic Notre Dame de l'Assomption Church, a beautiful 18th century building with stunning Baroque architecture. Their time in Ais was a peaceful retreat, allowing them to immerse themselves in the rich history and natural beauty of the French Riviera. Romantic getaway in the village of Saint-Paul-de-Vence. Continuing their journey through the French Riviera, Brad and Angelina visited the enchanting village of Saint-Paul-de-Vence. Known for its art galleries, historic buildings, and stunning views, Saint-Paul-de-Vence has long been a favorite destination for artists and writers. The village provided the perfect backdrop for a romantic getaway, and the couple embraced the opportunity to explore its many treasures. Strolling hand in hand through the village's narrow cobblestone streets, Brad and Angelina discovered a wealth of artistic and cultural gems. They visited the Fondation Made, a renowned modern art museum featuring works by artists such as Miro, Giacometti, and Chagall. The couple also enjoyed a visit to the historic St. Paul Church, with its beautiful frescoes and stunning architecture. In the evenings, they dined at the village's charming restaurants, savoring local cuisine and enjoying the serene ambience. Their time in Saint-Paul-de-Vence was a perfect blend of romance, culture, and history. Scenic drive along the Corniche roads. One of the most breathtaking experiences of Brad and Angelina's French Riviera tour was a scenic drive along the Corniche roads. These stunning coastal routes offer some of the most spectacular views in the region, winding their way along the cliffs and providing panoramic vistas of the Mediterranean Sea. The couple embarked on this journey in a luxurious convertible, enjoying the freedom and beauty of the open road. The drive took them through picturesque towns and villages, each offering its own unique charm and attractions. They stopped in the village of La Turbie, home to the impressive Tropæum Alpium, a Roman monument with stunning views of the coastline. Relaxation in the tranquil town of Menton. To conclude their enchanting French Riviera tour, Brad and Angelina spent some time in the tranquil town of Menton. Known for its beautiful gardens, historic buildings, and vibrant cultural scene, Menton provided a peaceful and relaxing end to their journey. The couple stayed at a charming hotel overlooking the sea, enjoying the town's laid-back atmosphere and stunning natural beauty. Brad and Angelina spent their days exploring Menton's many attractions, including the stunning Jardin sur de la Madone, a beautiful botanical garden filled with exotic plants and flowers. They also visited the historic Basilica of St. Michael the Archangel, with its stunning Baroque architecture and beautiful views of the town and coastline. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.